So stat 1, that's your edit button. L1 is all of your x coordinates. L2 is your y coordinates. So once you have put these in, remember you should have, like basically it should look like this. L1, L2. They should be right next to each other. So any ordered pair is right next to each other. I'll make that look more like a 1. All right. From here, you push stat. You're going to arrow to the right to obtain calc. You're going to push the 4 button. And then you're going to push the enter button 5 times. So enter, 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 enter. 5 times. Your A is your slope. Your B is your y-intercept. Any questions on any of this? So this should be on page 11. Sir.